This is a quick video of my 2020 RDX. This is the tech package with the Gunmetal Metallic paint. It's a super handling all-wheel drive. I wanted to kind of go through some of the options that I selected from the dealer and some other aftermarket options. I haven't seen anybody post anything on this on YouTube, but anyway, I got the cargo protector. It's like a plastic protector on the back of the seats. I also got the cargo tray. So this helps protect the seats. Say if I go to Home Depot and get some lumber or something, it's going to help protect the back of the vehicle. Pretty nice option. It was difficult for the dealer to install these, but they had to go back twice. But they were able to finally get it right on installing these. They had to drill into the vehicle, so I didn't want to mess with that, so I went ahead and had the dealer do it. I also got a trailer hitch. This is the factory trailer hitch. Also got the mud flaps, splash guards. That's what they look like. I got the door edge protectors. It has a clear film on the edge and also on the handles. I waxed it recently, so I'm still having trouble getting all the wax off of it, but they seem to work pretty well. Now I did go with some aftermarket floor mats. These are MOGO floor mats by Husky. I looked at a lot of different floor mats and selected these. Here's the front. They fit nicely and they cover a lot more carpet area than the standard all-weather mats from Acura. Go around the other side and show you the driver's side. Side looks like, and they clip in to this factory clips there, so they fit nicely. Really pleased with these. So that's it. Hope you enjoy the video.